Yo, hello everyone. Do you love the high-speed racing action of Asphalt 9 Legends? And do you want to join it on your laptop? In this video, I will show you how to play Asphalt 9 Legends on your PC using an emulator. There is a bunch of emulators guys, so I will show you all the way up from downloading the emulator and downloading the game and playing it. So let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you have full experience. So first of all guys, to actually play any game that has doesn't have any kind of program on PC, you'll have to download an emulator to kind of open a mobile phone inside of your laptop. To start with this, we have several kind of names of the most popular emulators for PC, like BlueStacks. There is two versions of BlueStacks, like X and 5. There is Nemo, and there is much more than that. You can Google them and choose the best one for you. But for us in this video, we will focus on downloading BlueStacks. BlueStacks is one of the best kind of emulators for your best gaming mobile experience. Now all you have to do is click into BlueStacks and choose either to download BlueStacks 5 or BlueStacks 10. So if you have like a decent PC, for me I have a like pretty decent PC, so it will not be a big problem for me. I can get BlueStacks 10 without having any problems. It fills all the requirements of my PC. But for you guys, if you had any kind of problems, your PC is slow, kind of like that, make sure to go for BlueStacks 5. Now for me, I will just click here to download BlueStacks, and here it is. Now all I have to do is install it on my PC. So just click on it. It will not take that much of time. And for me, I have it already, so I just have to update it to the newest update that has been currently on the system. So it will not take that much of time. As you can see now, only 1 minute left, but it is more or less than that. And here we go. Now it will start downloading, and that will take some of time. And now all I have to do is wait for it until it is completely done, and we'll be on the part of creating our account, log into our account, and of course downloading the game and playing the game. So I'll be right back to you guys. And here we go guys. Now we have successfully opened the emulator. Make sure that you have it. As you can see, working, the settings are perfectly good. That preferences on the correct language of yours. For example, here you have English. This supports actually multiple languages, as you can see, from French, Arabic, Italian, Spanish, and much more. Now let's get back to here. So let's go to the home page. Sorry, I'm just gonna close this, go back. And now, in case you would like to search for any image or any kind of game, make sure to click on Google Play. It is the same as PC. And now, all you have to do is search for the game that you are going to download. So for example, in our video, we are going to go for Asphalt 9. So we're going to click here, search for Asphalt 9 Legends, and here we go. So now click on install via Google Play, and just give it some time and it will start installing. So now the game will install via Google Play Store. So just give it some time. As you can see here, I'm going to click on it again to make sure it is downloading, and it will start downloading right after that. So as you can see here, it's opened another window for me, and now it shall start installing perfectly. As you can see, here it is. Starting BlueStacks, please wait, and the game will start installing. So just give it some time. Here it is, BlueStacks opening for me, and it will open now the Google Play Store. As you can see, click on install, and the game will be installed in a couple minutes, depending on your internet connection, of course. So the game now will have 2.76 gigabytes to be installed. So this is a big time to be installed. It will take a lot of time to be installed on my PC since we don't really have a really good connection. But yeah, you got the idea guys. It is pretty easy to actually download the game. So now all I'm going to do is simply wait until it is perfectly and completely downloaded, and I'll be right back to you guys. And just a side note guys that I forgot to tell you, that make sure you have enough space on your computer, because this will be downloaded on your computer, not on the emulator. So make sure you have enough space for Asphalt 9 Legends on your computer. And of course, make sure that Asphalt 9 can be running on your computer. So you can go to any website, for example, Asphalt 9 here, Asphalt 9 Legends, requirements, and check if the requirements are actually supporting it. So here, as you can see, Core A5, 4000 for generation, 8 GB of RAM, NVIDIA GT 1030, which is pretty decent. So most of the PCs nowadays have more than that. So mostly you will be able to run it. But yeah, again, make sure that you have these requirements at least so you can run the game, because unless you don't have it, you will have so much problems, so much lags that you will be facing in the process of playing the game. So let's meet up after it is successfully downloaded. So here we are back to you guys. So now it is successfully downloaded. All I'm going to do is click on play. Next thing to do is that you just have to wait until the game launches. So it has to start downloading sometime when it's open for the first time on your mobile. The same thing on PC. Sometimes it will not because it has downloaded. But as you might notice, the game is perfectly working. It is downloading really good. Now all you have to do is simply choose the age which is above 18, and then choose here male for me, and then accept. Here I'm going to click on accept and play. The game is currently being synchronized with the server, so please wait. So it is as simple as that, as you might notice, guys. The game is working simply good, and to make sure that it is will be working good for you before you even start playing, just look at this. And in case, guys, you didn't know how to see if your PC is actually going to make the game work or not, I showed you before like a list of components that Asphalt 9 will run at least with. Now let's try ChatGPT to make a confirmation about our PC. So for me, my PC is pretty decent. So you can just go to, for example, this PC. So through here, I can go to properties, and as you might notice here, I have like A5 10th generation, 32 GB of RAM, and for the graphic card, I have like the RTX. So here, what I'm going to do is Asphalt 9 gonna have any problem running on my PC. So here we go. This is the message, and then add your PC components. So 32 GB of RAM, DDR4, A5, 10th generation, and then RTX 3060. I forgot basically which kind of RTX, but yeah, let's say for example 3040 as an example, and then let's click on enter. And now let's check. So based on the specifications you provided, your PC should have no problem running Asphalt 9 smoothly. Here's a breakdown for each component. RAM is more than enough for running Asphalt 9. The game's recommended system requirements usually suggest 4 GB of RAM, so you have a significant surplus. CPU, your A5 10th generation processor should be more than capable of handling Asphalt 9. It should provide sufficient processing power for the game without any issues. CPU RTX 3040 is a powerful graphics card, and it should handle Asphalt 9 with ease. You should be able to enjoy the game at high graphical settings without any significant performance problems. So do the same with your PC components and see if it will run it or not before you even get to download the game and trying it by your own self, and maybe you will be destroying your PC like that. So guys, that was completely it for this video. Thanks a lot for watching, and see you guys in the next tutorial.